As we play this, we see that the water starts at frame 1, so we don't really see it hitting the ground until 70 frames into things, or whatever the case might be. On top of that, we've got all these little particles, for lack of a better word, showing up, and I'd like to get rid of those. So let's see what we can do about that. So if I go to the splash domain, and I go to liquid, under particles, I've got combined export of spray, foam, and bubbles. I think I'm going to just take that and turn it off altogether and uncheck each of these items. Now that done, if I go back to the beginning and play things, we'll have to give it a minute. But we should see that all of those little dots are now gone. So now the next thing is that I'm going to go down to cache in my splash domain, and I'm going to change the frame start to maybe minus, I said 70 before, something to that effect, so minus 70. And now if I go ahead and play, well, nothing's changed. It seems to be functioning in pretty much the same way. So let's go back and take a look. And one thing we can do is change it from the type to replay to all. And then I can go ahead and I can bake all. Now once I do this, we can come back and take a look and see what happens. But right now, right off the bat, we can see that it's starting to try to figure things out from that frame that I had mentioned rather than starting at frame 0. So we'll give it a minute, we'll come back and see where we are. It's done baking now, so let's just take a look and see what we have. Yeah, so when we play it, it's begun at frame 70 or whatever I had set it to, and those little dots are gone. So there we are.